Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here at Tanjung Benoa, and some of you asked me about the beach in Tanjung Benoa, the hotels. Okay, so this time I will walk by the beach side and let's see the hotels around here, guys. Not all the hotels, but maybe few of them I can capture in one video. Here we need to cross the road, and this is Jalan Segara Samuh, we call it. The beach is also Samuh Beach, and this is their art market, guys. So before you reach the beach area, if you want to do some shopping, you can have a look here. There are a lot of things, almost the same products that you can find in Kuta, Legian. But this one mostly for what you call this, no fake branded stuff, yeah, but mostly like Bali souvenirs. The dresses also, it's written Bali, and also handicraft, something like that. Okay, let's park the scooter and let's walk around in this area. Not really busy at this time, of course. That side is the beach, guys. This time I will not go to the beach. I will just walk around the hotels, and here where you can do water sports, because water sport is only we can do in south area of Bali in Tanjung Benoa. So if you want to do water sports, you need to come here. And here there is restaurants. It looks nice. Urban, hello. Urban seaside cafe or restaurant. But of course at this time it's not really busy because 10:30, still too early for lunch, I think. But the weather looks really good, guys, today. Sun shining, but unfortunately from this beach area we cannot see sunset. You need to go to Kuta Beach or German Beach or Jimbaran Beach to see sunset, guys. And before we reach the hotels area, you can also buy food and drinks here at Warung. Jalan-jalan, Bu. Coconuts, also Indonesian food. But of course the price is much cheaper compared to hotel. And look at this, the menu. Mostly Indonesian menu. Fried rice, fried chicken, satay, like that. And there is a cute bar here. I didn't see it before. Is it new or it's quite a long time already? Yeah. Maybe if you've been here you can tell if it's new or not. You can see it here, enjoying the view, sunbathing and etc. And this one in front of us, this is Seoul Benoa Hotel, guys. Look at that. A lot of tourists enjoying their time at Beachside. The weather is very good. And from here you can see the hotel, guys. Seoul Benoa. I've been to this hotel before during COVID-19. It was so big, the pool's big, garden, the room is okay also. And there is a money changer here. So if you need to change money, you can do it also here at the hotel. And this is Bali Tropic Hotel, guys. The beach side is like this, it's almost the same. Nice beach, clean. From here you can see a lot of people doing water sports, jet ski, parasailing, sea walker. You can do a lot of things here, guys. And if you don't want to walk, you can rent a bicycle as well. Maybe next time I will rent bicycle. And this is the restaurants. I think where you can have your breakfast here. You can play volleyball here as well, which is good, especially if you travel in a group. You can have fun here by the beach. And if you bring kids, that is the kids playground there. Some beds here, they have their pool there. Oh, it's very nice. They have a, what you call that, exercise on the pool. Can't see clearly from here, but they have big pool there. Here must be nice to sit, to have dinner maybe. Enjoy the view of the beach. But this hotel, I mean here, as you can see, not really busy by the beach. Only few tourists enjoy the time at the beach. It's too hot maybe for them, for some of them maybe. You want to do exercise, they have tennis table, they have pool there, they have gym here. So if you stay at Bali Tropic, this is their facilities, guys. I'm just seeing from the beach sides, but I do believe they have more facilities inside. Or maybe you can share your experience if you've been staying here. Wow, there is a shops also here. So you can do a lot of shoppings as well just beside of your hotel. Nggih. Biasanya kuda-kuda ada kan ya tamu belanja bunga. Nggih, bisa dua. Nggih. Nggih, soalnya jarang tamu lewat nggih. It is nice to spoke with the lady actually, and I asked how's the business in Balinese. I'm talking in Balinese to her. That she said sometimes she got sales 1 or 2 in a day. She has no target. Anyway, she's from originally from this area, and the places also belong to her, so it is fine. I mean, no target, yeah. But imagine if you ran the place and then you need to make some profit. So I hope everyone can make some sales here, because I think it's not really busy in this area. I mean, there are some tourists walking around, but not as busy as like in Kuta Art Market maybe. Okay, let's continue walking to the other hotel. And this is one of the water sports company, guys. It's not really busy at this time. And here there are a lot more shops. They have hats, rotten bags, many things. And this hotel, I forget the name, but I will tell you later. It's Royal Santrian, guys. It's quiet and it's a bit windy. But this hotel is also good. But almost all the hotels along the beach is very nice, yeah. We passed by Tanjung Benoa, we passed by the Bali Tropic, and this one, Royal Santrian. Look at that. They have the restaurants there, right there. They have the nice pool also, quite high, so you can, I mean, if you swim there, you will see the view of the beach. And this hotel is also, I think, good for wedding ceremony. Yeah. There is a wedding picture there. So what do you think about the hotel, guys? It's really good, isn't it? It's very shade and windy. It's nice, the breeze. And here on the right side also there are some places that you can sit and relax, but no one is here. And you can have your dinner there, candlelight dinner. Must be very romantic. Wow, look at this from here. There are so many jet skis and also parasailing, guys. Must be fun. So like to try water sports maybe next time when you come to Bali. Okay, so will be the last hotel for today's video. This is Holiday Inn Benoa. It is also another nice hotel, but I think the place is a bit smaller. Yeah, this is the Beachside. But they have nice bar here. You can have your drinks, enjoy the view of the beach. But this place unfortunately is abandoned. I don't know what it was before. Looks like restaurants here, but it says here the Benoa Villas and Spa, guys. This is the situation. Really sad to see it actually. So, what do you think about this area, guys? Would you like to stay here maybe? We passed by a few hotels, Holiday Inn, we have passed by the Seoul Benoa, Bali Tropic, Royal Santrian. Which one do you think is the best? I can say all of them are good, yeah? But for my personal opinion, I like Royal Santrian. It looks good. Okay, so that's all for today's video from this area. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.